Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using Butterfly Wishes, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Butterfly Wishes, and we're going to be using this butterfly and a sweet friendship refreshes the soul. And I have a piece of the Perennial Essence Vellum. And I'm going to come in with my Whisper White ink pad. And I have the butterfly mounted on clear block C. And I'm just going to put it down towards the bottom. While we have our ink out, I'm going to ink up the sentiment in white as well, and that's mounted on clear block H. And then I have a scrap piece of garden green. All right. I'm going to come in with my butterfly duet punch and punch this butterfly out. And let's see, I think I'm also going to punch it out in the garden green. Alright, so we can start putting this card together. Now, the new vellum, the Perennial Essence Vellum, has the darker side and then it has the lighter side. I want to use the darker side, so I'm just going to put some snail adhesive. Okay, so got my snail refilled up. And our card base is garden green, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So we'll just line that up. And then I have a piece of the Garden Lane, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. Alright, so just like that. And then, let's see, I'm going to come in with my triple banner punch. And just like that, and I'm just going to trim that just a bit. Yeah, I like that. And then I have my 2 butterflies, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some glue dots. for the vellum here. Oh no. Let's see. Let's take this off. And let's get that stamped again. And I think I need to probably heat set it. I didn't think about that, not drying on that vellum. If not, we might have to do something different. Alright, so let's bring in our butterfly punch one more time. Alright, so I'm going to put the glue dots on the garden green. And then I'm going to carefully put those behind there. Let's see. Alright, next I'm going to pop up my butterfly with the Stampin' Dimensional. So, just like that, a sweet friendship card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!